Hello and welcome! There will be no crafting today, but I am glad to inform you that we were able to release Bertie into the wild. So I am leaving you today with the story of how we became best friends. And Bertie will be represented by this awful thing. There's a bird in the house! Bertie! Put it down now! I'm warning you! Put it down now! Oh no, your poor little thing. What happened to your tail feathers? She will not be able to fly. You're hilarious. I enjoyed spending time with you. Now eat your food. It's a little dry. Don't look. Preposterous. You look fabulous. Very pretty. It matches your eyes. Is that a tail that I see? Oh, so luscious feathers. I think you're ready to leave me. No, I don't want to hear it. It is the right thing to do.
You can still hear her singing, but she's not there anymore.